Oh, welcome back, coders. Thank you for coming back. So, if you have made it to this last video in this tutorial series, welcome. Most people usually don't make it to the last video in the tutorial series or don't finish the tutorial series. But if you have made it this far, welcome. Or if you are just meeting this video separately and you want the knowledge of this video, welcome. So, in this video, I want to talk about React SASS. Call it React SASS. How to do styling in SASS. So we're going to talk about SASS styling. Styling using SASS. That's what this video is about. So to do now, if you know about SASS, SASS is just a CSS preprocessor. So SASS files are executed on the server, and then the server sends the CSS, to the browser. But if you use the Create React app in your project to start your project, then you need to install SASS. So to install SASS, you can open your command prompt. Then in your command prompt, you can type npm I, which stands for install SASS. Then you can click enter. Then you can start installing your SASS. So after installing SASS, you need to create after installing SASS, you need to create your SASS file. So to create your SASS file, you can go to your project directory, which is here where your index.js is. You can create a new file, save the file. You can call it my SASS.sccs. Then you save it. So now, in my SASS file, if you are a person who is familiar with SASS, you can now start defining your SASS file. So I can put my $sign, define my variable, my color. Then my color, which I'm going to define, it will be red. Then I'll define my h1 tag. Now in my h1 tag, I'll define my color. Then my color will point to my variable, my color. Can terminate there, save. Then you can go to your index and then you import. Now in your index.js, you can now import your SASS file. So to import your SASS file, you can just say import /my -sass.scss. But remember, when you're installing your SASS, you should install it in your project directory. Don't install it. Don't put your npm install SASS anywhere. Install it in your project directory so that it can be put in your package.json. So after that, probably you have a component here, header. Probably have my header component here. Let me paste it here, and then I'm rendering it out. So since I've already created my SASS file and put in my SASS, then I have my header component, and I've imported my SASS file into this component, index.js. This SASS will be applied onto my header component. So that is how you use SASS. Simple as that. Nothing big. Thank you for watching. Thank you for those who have followed this tutorial series through. You can leave a like and subscribe. Continue coding. See you in the next tutorial. Thank you for watching.